everybody, my name is Dominika and I'm the current manager of Perfect World Language School here in Pilsen in the Czech Republic. We are gonna start with my next topic, which is another, other, the other and others. Are you sure where to use which of these words? If not, you're here right. So let's have a look at how to work with them and where to use each of them. Alright, let's start with another. Another is a great one as it is a connection of two words actually. It's a connection of an article, of the indefinite article an, and of the word other. We have to use this an here as there is a vowel here, so that's why it is not a other, but it's another. But the point is, this is an article. It means that later on we might use only a singular noun, not a plural one, not an uncountable one. So it means I could say another idea, another exam, another pen. Right? Nothing plural, just a singular noun. We can say, for instance, would you like to learn another foreign language? Another foreign language, right? Would you like to learn another foreign language? So just one language, that's why we say another. All right, so that's another. Another can as well be used with plural, but only in a certain case, only in the fact where there is a kind of time expression which is actually somehow singular. I will show you how I mean it. The point is, another 10 minutes means I had to wait in the waiting room for another 10 minutes because of something, right? For another 10 minutes, it means that it all was a singular thing for me. It was like a singular item for me. So another 10 minutes or another 2 months after something, it means that actually it was not like a plural thing. It was not like a plural every single day and altogether it's plural, but it's actually a singular item. So another 2 months. Or we could say, the plumber got ill, so we had to wait for another 2 weeks for the reparation. Right, so we had to wait for another 2 weeks. Actually, you know, this was not like every single day, every single minute and altogether a plural item, but it was a singular item. These were another 2 weeks. All right, so this is as well a usage of another with time, which is actually plural, but somehow logically rather singular. So once again, the plumber got ill, so we had to wait for another 2 weeks for the reparation. So this is another, either used with a singular noun or with a plural word that actually expresses a time. Somehow it is some kind of duration. All right, let's move on. The next one I would like to tell you about is other. Other, on the other hand, is used with plural words like other cars. So it means we just omit the article. We just omit an and we just use other. So it's other cars. That can as well be used with an uncountable word like other knowledge, or with an always plural word which actually never is used in singular, like other scissors, right? Not other scissor, it doesn't exist at all, but other scissors. So plural, uncountable, always plural. We could say, for instance, other people wouldn't lift this, hats off, right? Other people wouldn't lift this, hats off. So other people, actually people is a plural word, it's an irregular plural word. That's why we say other people. We can't say another people as this is a singular article. All right, instead of other people or other cars, we might omit the word and say just others. We can say others wouldn't lift this, hats off. It is the same as other people, or instead of other cars, we could say others. And being it clear from the context, it's completely fine. All right, so this is others or other. And now let's have a look at the other. The other is used when I talk about something that actually I have a pair of. So let's have a look. One person says, touch your ear, please. And I do it, and the person says, Thank you. And now, touch the other one. And as I have just 2 ears, he can't actually say, and now touch another one, as another one implies that there are more options and I could choose, one of these. But as I have 1 ear and then there is only one more, in this case we do say the other one, the other ear, the other shoulder, the other pen when I have 2, the other car when I have 2 cars. So that's the usage of the other. We can as well use the other while talking about something in plural, like here. Me and Paul decided to leave the party at 11, but the others stayed. Right? So me and Paul decided to leave the party at 11, but the others stayed. Right? This was a particular group of others, and the others stayed. So that's it. All right, so let's sum it up. So we have got another with a singular noun, another with, let's say, time expression, which could be plural, like another 2 minutes or another 2 months, and so on. We have got other with plurals, with uncountables, and with always plurals. We have got others instead of other people or other cars, we say others. And we have got the other, while we have 2 things, the other, or while we have, or we can as well have the others while talking about, let's say, plural groups or whatever. So I left, but the others stayed. Okay, that's it, guys. It's everything what I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much for being with me and have a wonderful time. See you soon.